Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys! Happy Wednesday everybody. Happy Wednesday. I know. I had full on intentions on making this video on Monday, but that pesky little work schedule of mine always seems to get in the way with our fun. Anyways, so today I finally got around to it. I'm finally here making the video, and I'm very, very excited to do this video because I wanted to do this to my bedroom for so long, and now is the perfect opportunity. Guys, I know you saw the title of the video. It is my French country bedroom refresh for fall, and I am so excited. You know me, this year, and I have just added small bits here and there of fall, and I think the house turned out great. And in saying that, thank you so much to everybody that watched the fall home tour video. I really enjoyed making that video. I really enjoyed it. And I've read all your comments now, and my goodness, you ladies and gentlemen are fantastic. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the love. You guys know what you mean to me, right? I mean, at this point, you should. You know how much I love you. I just love you guys. Okay, so I have just made my bed. I haven't done much in the room. Everything's pretty much the same. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so this is what my bed pretty much looks like every day. I don't go overboard putting all the pillows and all the cute stuff on. I do it once in a while, but not every day. Every day is pretty much this. I get up, I make my bed, it's nice, it's made, and we're off to the races because you all know that I work. So this is what I do, but I want to elevate it and make it just that much more special. So this is the before, and for those of you that haven't been with me for a while, you know that I refinished my entire bedroom set. I reupholstered my headboard. I have a whole playlist on how I did this and how I created this French country bedroom feel. Let me show you the dresser. Okay, guys, here's the dresser. I just want to give you a once over on how I refinished it. I think it turned out beautiful, and honestly, it's been lasting the test of time. Like, I wipe it down and I clean it really good. Just want to show you this flower arrangement. I have an idea on how to transform this so simply to just elevate it for fall and really not using much at all. So there you can see some old pictures of me and Angela and my husband, and Okay guys, as you can see here, I'm just starting to fix the bed. I'm putting this coverlet. Now, I got this coverlet off of Amazon, and I showed it when I did my French bedroom refresh, and there's all bunch of videos in a playlist linked in my channel if you want to see how I transform my bedroom from really dark furniture into this more French country look. But that coverlet comes with the 2 pillow shams, and it's linked in my Amazon store, and it is one of the best things I have ever bought. So if you're interested in it, I would look down in the description box. Now, this is not fall related, these pillows, but I like the mix of texture, and you'll see why. Because the fall pillow that I'm adding has a lot of texture. Now, this is a beautiful, very inexpensive throw that I bought this year from TJ Maxx. Guys, I think this was $20, near $20, if not $20, way under. And it is so soft and luxurious. So TJ Maxx is always a great place for stuff like that. And as you can see, I couldn't decide how I wanted it, and I finally just draped it at the end of the bed. I kind of liked it more tailored than, just hung over. Okay, this is a fake Burberry scarf, so don't get up, don't get crazy. I have a few fake ones. Oh, I have one real one, but I have a few fake ones, and I like to use them for decor in the fall. I don't know why. Fall to me says Burberry. I don't know. You'll see what that picture is, and I'm sure you can guess. It is my wedding picture. I was married in the fall, actually October 12th, so my anniversary is coming up. And I really wanted to use it because our portrait has a lot of fall colors in it, and it's kind of sentimental. Now, those candle holders, you can see me struggling because I'm so short. Those candle holders are from Target from last year. Love them. And you're probably wondering, why is a grown woman putting a stuffed animal in her bedroom? Guys, let me give you a secret. That little puppy dog was given to me by my husband on our very, very first date. Yeah. And I've had it ever since, and I will never part with it. Okay, now let's get on to the other side. I have this beautiful vase full of these faux hydrangeas, and I am obsessed with hydrangeas. I love hydrangeas so much, and I love this vase. I got it at Target, I think in the summer, maybe, or in the late winter. I can't remember, guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, this is just two dollar store picks. Yes, two picks that I've just separated, and you can see here I'm just gonna really play with them and move them around. But I think that adding them really made a really nice impact, and when you see it all done, it looks really pretty, actually. I mean, I played with it quite a bit, as you can tell here, because I just wanted the leaves to peek out every which way, just to bring the fall touches in. So as you'll notice here, I'm adding these two giant picks, and I'm just kind of moving my stuff around, just to see what I like. And I keep playing with it. And that's the best part of decor, guys. Just use what you have and play with it. But look how pretty this turned out. I think it turned out really, really pretty. Now I'm just going to put some finishing touches on the room, and then we'll be done. I love Bath and Body Works candles so much. And unfortunately, this year, I haven't really gone to get any more. I went once, I got a couple, and that was it. I really haven't been shopping as much as I used to be. I'm kind of shocked with myself. Okay, guys, so here's a once over of the room so you could see what it all looks like. I think it's very calming, and I did change the dresser, and you'll see I only left the one big pick because I thought that was enough, actually. And you'll see where I put the other one. But it turned out so pretty. It's just easy. It's relaxed. It's not too much. It says hello fall. It's perfect for the season. I love the fall, and I really love the colors of fall. Honestly, they are so beautiful. But I really wanted to tie them into my bedroom, and this is really great that I did this to my bedroom, because making it so neutral, I notice now that when I add a pop of color, it really stands out and really does make a big impact. Now here you'll notice on my bed, I put this little tray, this galvanized tray from Hobby Lobby, and a little pumpkin because I needed a little pumpkin. and I grabbed a coffee, and these are the three books that I'm reading at the moment. I love to read every morning and every night before I go to bed. That is something that I do for myself. Most of the time, I read Christian devotional books or woman empowering books or something, to get me motivated to be a better person, to do better in my life. That's kind of where I'm at in my life, in my journey in my life. I always striving to be better. We all make mistakes. We all say things that we don't mean sometimes, but we have to be accountable for our actions, and we all have to try and be better. So that's what I'm trying to do in my life. Just an FYI, if you guys wanted to know. So I do think the room turned out great. I'm just going to give you an overview and stop talking. I hope this video inspired you to do something great for yourselves in your own bedrooms, because us moms, sometimes we're by the wayside. Okay, guys, what do you think? Right? It might not be for everyone, and I understand that because it's got a little glam into it, and I brought in some nostalgic stuff that I really wanted to use. I really, really wanted to use. My anniversary is coming up on the 12th of October. That's when I got married. And every year around this time, it's kind of a little bit difficult for me, but that's okay. It is life. I make the best of it. Now, I like doing bedrooms like this that are calm and peaceful and just a place where you can, luxuriate and rejuvenate and, your own private sanctuary away from your kids. And, the stresses of the world, because there's a lot. Oh my God, there's so much being thrown at us right now. Wow. So this is very good. Like, make a space for yourselves, somewhere where you can go and relax and just, reconnect with God or with yourself, or just, contemplate the day or whatever, or just kick back and relax. As you've seen, I got rid of the TV in my room because I am bombarded with a lot of information during the day, especially being on social media and the news and TV and all that. And I just figured I'm going to take the TV out of my room and just, have it be a quiet sanctuary for myself, somewhere I can think and reflect with my own thoughts and ideas, because I thought that was just better for me in general. Anyways, that might not be for you guys. You guys might like to watch TV at night, but I hope you had fun watching this video, and I hope it gave you some inspiration. Take stuff that you guys have already, add one little pillow and a little throw blanket, and that would be enough. I mean, that would be enough just to make, a little fall touch in your rooms or the upcoming season. It's a cute idea for Christmas also, even though yours truly puts a Christmas tree in her room. Yeah, I mean, I love Christmas. I'm sorry. Oh, do you not know this? Oh, do you not know that I'm a little bit crazy for Christmas? Yeah, you'll find out soon. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day ahead. I hope you do something very special for yourselves. Please enjoy your day and your week, and I'll see you very, very soon. Mwah! Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. See you on Friday. Bye, guys.